Doggies. Doggies. You want a stick? You want a stick? You want a stick? You want the stick, Rose? Frankie, you want the stick? You want the stick? Come here, buddy. You want the stick? You want the stick? You want the stick? Get the stick! Oh, none of you got the stick. What is wrong with you? Why'd you not get the stick? Ah! Frankie, you have the stick? You have the stick, buddy? Good boy. Yeah. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. It's a good Frankie. It's a good boy. It's a good boy. Rosie. Rosie. Gotta make sure there's no dog crap out of here. Rosie? Rosie, you want the big stick? You want the big stick? Oh no, use the bathroom, okay. You want the stick? Good boy. You like the stick? You like the stick, Frank? Oh, hi, Rose. Let's see if I can find another big stick. You want another? You want the big stick? You want the big stick? Girls, you want the big stick? You the big stick? Want the other big stick? Yep. Good girl. You good girl. Creepy shadow. Doggies. Doggies. What are you doing, guys? What are you doing? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Oh, the doggies. The doggies. Doggy? You had a stick? You had a stick? Abracadabra! Abracadabra, you motherfucker. Alright. Frankie? Frankie? You want a stick? Go get it! Go get it! Oh. I guess you guys don't want stick. So nice out here, isn't it, guys? Isn't it so nice? Isn't it so nice, doggies? Isn't it gorgeous out here? The dogs. The doggies. The doggies. Yeah, stick. Get the stick. Oh no. Oh no, you guys didn't get the stick. I should probably put my shoes on. Gross socks. I'll be back in a second, doggies. I'll be back in a second. Alright, we're back. The doggies. The doggies. Hi, Rose. Hi, Rose. Hi, Rosie. Jump. Jump. You jump. You jump. No? Okay. Okay, Rose. She's a good girl. Hey, Frankie. Oh. What is that? What is that? Are there more doggies? Is there another doggy barking? Is there another doggy barking? Are you scared? You scared, buddy? Oh. Yeah. Is it scary? Is it scary? That stick. That stick. Oh, yeah, you want the stick, buddy? Oh, no. You guys want this stick so badly. I didn't know you guys were going to battle over it. What about this one? You guys got to battle over this one? You battle over that one? Or no, you're just going to have it, Frank. Or you're not going to have it. Okay. Oh. You guys want the stick? Frankie, hit the stick. The vicious doggy. The vicious doggy. Well, this one. You guys want this one? You guys go want this one? We will take it first. Rosie obviously takes it first. Oh. Oh no. Yay! Yay, now they go get a share of it. Heck yeah. You guys love sticks, don't ya? You guys love sticks. Oh. Oh. Are there more doggies barking? Oh no! Frankie, how does it feel that she stole the stick from you? How does it feel, buddy? How does it feel, huh? How does it feel that she stole the stick? The sticky. Ugh. Scary shadow. Scary shadow. Isn't it scary, Shadow? Isn't it so scary? So scary, isn't it? Isn't it so scary? Isn't it so scary, Rosie? So scary, isn't it, Frank? Oh, the stick. Oh, no, no, no. I bet they will love the sticks that are over here near the shed. Yeah, they will love these. But those are too big, so they can't have those ones. This one they can have. This one they can have. You guys want the stick? You guys want the stick? Go, Frank. Yeah! Good boy! Go, Rosie! Man, that thing's long. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good girl. Rosie. Jump. Jump. No. You guys like it out here? You guys like it out here? Yeah. Yeah. You guys want to go in? You guys want to go in? Yeah. Yeah. We're going to end the video here, guys.